Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I feel like cooking up some hard dark trap. I haven't really got an artist in mind or anything, I just want to cook up and let it flow. Some super trap might come out, something bouncy, I don't really know, we'll just see what happens. And if you haven't seen it yet, I just dropped my brand new drum kit, the Vault 2.0. It's a collection of 4 different kits, so there's drill in there, trap, boom bap, R&B, so just covering the main genres of hip hop. There's like 1,000 sounds in there, it's crazy. You can download over 100 of the sounds completely free, so I've left a link to that in the description. But yo, let's get into the video. Alright, first things first, let's change the BPM. Let's go to around about 160, make it kind of fast. And for the foundation, I think we could go with a pad. I'm going to use Electra X for this one. So yeah, it's similar to a drill progression, but that's how you get those dark vibes. But right now I want to layer it, and I'll try and find a pad with some higher frequencies. But I'll also bring it up an octave. This one actually, this could work. A little bit subtle, it doesn't clash. Or you know what, instead of a lead, a pluck might work well with this. Simple, but it sounds crazy. Alright, I've got an idea for this melody actually. Thinking I could use Sound Shifter to bring the whole thing down an octave and then have it gradually come into the upper octave one. So I could just create an automation clip and then just drag this down. Let's see how this sounds. Or the other way actually. Especially for a drop or something, that'd be sick. Okay, I've just changed the first pad to this one. I feel like it just sounds a bit darker. So this could work. Repeat that, I'll switch this one up. I'm gonna bring that noise down though. I just want that lead sound, I don't want that white noise in it. Yeah, I think that's sounding hard now. Okay, I've just layered that lead with some keys, but I took out some of the high end. Just like this. Okay, this actually sounds sick too. Because this is a nice top layer, I feel like it was missing some high end. But I think that might even sound better reverse, so I'm going to render out just that one up, and let's just test it. I'm going to reverse it, but I'll need to rearrange it so the progression is the same. I think that sounds better, you know. I'm just adding some more reverb, just pushing it more towards the background. And then just a bit of kickstart, just to help with the bounce. Let's see if we can change the pitch actually. I think it needs to come up. Ooh, maybe here. I feel like I could get more energy out of this. Alright, I've just found these strings in Arcade. I think these sound sick. So yeah, I think it just needs to play like this. Then this one can extend. Yeah, that sounds cold. Just added some more reverb to this though. So it's not so up front. Maybe this one could go in too. Alright, I might want to add more things to the melody, but I need to get a bounce in there first. I'm going to speed it up as well. Let's go like 168. Let's go with this bite snare. And then we'll find the second one too. And then we'll get a third one in. Alright, let's get another one in there. Let's throw this in. And for this one, we'll normalize it and just go like this. Just help with the bounce. Get rid of this one and then repeat this again. I'm gonna pan them too, and I'm not trying to make no super trap beat, I just like the way they sound. And then I always like a little effect tricks about here, maybe some delay like this too. Alright, let's get the 808 in. Turn this one into a slide, and maybe this one up an octave. Actually, yeah, maybe a little pause there. There we go. So I don't want the kicks on every one. And then just some open hats to layer with the kick. I'll normalize it. Maybe just these. Alright, and I want to add this zap too. Barely hear it, but it adds a little something. Maybe just that. Let's try here instead. Yeah, there's a bit more space there. Okay, one more perk. We'll go for a rim this time. Alright, and I think at some point I'm going to want to swap the 808 for a sub bass, so let's bring one in. The sub bass is crazy. Might even just keep it on one note, maybe a few slides. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even realize the melody wasn't in time. Nobody told me. There we go. Just want to change the tempo. I didn't even notice. But yeah, I think that's going to be enough for the beat, so I'll arrange it real quick and then show you the final outcome. So in the intro, I just started off with the first pad.
Cactus.
Slowly bringing in the 808 and the hats. So for this one, I'm starting with a verse. So I've got the second pad in now. Then the violin comes in, and I didn't end up using the lead. Don't think I need it. A little switch up sick. So it's just like a one bass from an old kit. So all this is the verse, and right here I'm just kind of building up energy right before the hook. So the switch ups aren't huge, but they're subtle enough. But I just like the variation with the 808s and the sub bass. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you're feeling the beat. And if you want more trap videos, then let me know in the comments. A lot of people ask for things other than drill, and this is me giving it to you. So yeah, let me know if you're feeling it. But once again, I appreciate you all for watching it. Much love, and I'll see you next time.